Hi, I'm Tania from Trademark Plumbing Gas Fitting, a locally family business owned here in the Northern Territory. So today I'm going to talk about aerators. So aerators are in most of the newer taps that we actually have installed in our house. What happens in hard water conditions, or even if you've had a burst water main, you will get little bits of dirt or debris stuck under the aerator, and it will make your tap slow with the water that comes through it. So here's a tap that I prepared earlier. So what you need to do, this is your aerator, so it sits under there, you don't really see it, just makes your water look pretty when it's running through the tap. So when your plumber or someone installed your tap, it would have come with a little blue or little key to get it out. So what you do is you screw it off like this, and there's your aerator. So give it a bit of a rinse, clean it off, and then we can put it back in. So when the plumber installs your tap, make sure you ask him or her for this little blue key to get your aerator out of your new tap. Thanks, have a great day.